Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator, cuz, refrigerator, all in the refrigerator. Got me some trees, cream cheese, cream cheese. All in the refrigerator. Got me some water bottle, almost gone. Water bottle, all in the refrigerator. Got some ranch, spread it all on my salad. All in the refrigerator. Got some turkey breast on sandwich. Turkey breast, all in the refrigerator. Got me some leftovers, 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 all in the refrigerator. Got me some eggs on the time, eggs, all in the refrigerator. Got me some, all in the refrigerator. Got me some crackers, mouth dry, crackers, all in the refrigerator. Got me some butter, toast time, butter, all in the refrigerator. Got me an ice cream sandwich, slightly look good. I'm gonna eat this. Y'all finna watch me too, cause it's looking good right now. What you want? Hey, I can't even get it up the blast. Oh shoot. That's why y'all can't eat none. That's alright, cuz. Wow! Stuff was wet. Well, that's it for you guys. Hope you had fun. Stupid. Goodbye.